In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use two emo accounts on one phone. If you want to manage two separate emo accounts from the same device, the good news is that the app gives you a built-in way to do that. This can be useful if you keep one account for personal chats and another for work, family, or a second phone number. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can set it up without confusion. To begin, open the emo app on your phone. Make sure you're already signed into your first account, because that's where you'll access the account switching option. Once the app opens, look for your profile picture and tap on it. This will take you into your account area where you can manage settings related to your current profile. From there, find the option labeled Switch Account and tap it. This section is designed to let you move between multiple accounts on the same phone. After that, tap Switch or Add Account. This is the option that allows you to connect another emo account instead of replacing the one you're already using. Now enter the second phone number you want to use with emo. Be careful while typing here and make sure the country code and number are correct. If the number is entered incorrectly, you may not receive the verification code, so it's worth taking a moment to double check before continuing. Once you've entered the number, emo will ask you to verify it with a code. This code is usually sent to that phone number, so you'll need access to it to complete the setup. Enter the code exactly as received. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and check that your signal is stable and the number was typed correctly. After the verification is complete, the second account will be added to your phone. At that point, both accounts can be accessed from the same emo app. Whenever you need to move from one account to the other, go back to your profile picture, tap Switch Account, and select the account you want to use. This makes it easy to switch back and forth without signing out each time. That's all it takes to use two emo accounts on one phone. Just open emo, go to your profile, add the second account using its phone number, verify it, and switch between accounts whenever needed. If you follow each step carefully, the setup should only take a few minutes.